Damn, this was an amazing visual hook. Now, if you're thinking that I must have created this on After Effects or Premiere Pro, you are totally wrong.
Now let's see step by step how I created this effect in Capcut PC. Let's dive in.
So to start creating this effect, you will need three videos. That is, first, background, which will act as a base layer. Second, the awkwardly jumping video. And third, the green screen laser beam. As you can see, I have imported all these three videos. You can download the laser beam video from the description. I'll put a link there. So let's start with a background video. Let's import it and choose 3 seconds from the video. So here are 3 seconds, then press W to delete the rest of the part, then import a jumping video, which is kind of funny to me, and I'm gonna choose the frame in which I jump the highest, something like this. It's too damn funny. Select the video and press Q to delete the left of the part of the playhead because we don't need it anymore. So now the video looks something like this. I'll place my playhead between the intersection of these videos. So now I'm going to move 20 frames ahead. You can do that by holding shift and pressing the right arrow key. So 1 and 2. Now select the video, press Ctrl plus B to split it, and then hold the video, move it up here and close it down. So now the video looks something like this. Let's make it more interesting and add our green screen layer. So here it goes. Now select the part where the beam hits the ground and remove the excessive video. So press Q, then go here and press W. Now select the video and go to remove BG, then select chroma key and remove this background. And if you have Capcut Pro, apply a feather edge. Go again to basics, change the blend mode to screen like this, and you're done. Now select the video again and turn off this uniform scale so that we'll be able to alter the height manually. I'm gonna move this video ahead so that when I jump into the frame, the beam shines in my chest. Now move this layer above the green screen layer and go to remove background, then auto removal. So if you can see, the background is removed from our video, and now let's play with keyframes. Select this video and go to basics, zoom into the timeline, go to the first frame of this video and apply a keyframe. Make this around 2% so that it will look more natural when I emerge out of it. Now go to the last frame of the video and scale it again back to 100. So let's see how the video looks now. The keyframing is a little bit off and it looks a bit slower. Let's change it. I'm gonna move the keyframes little bit closer to each other now so that the framing is a little bit faster. To move them closer, let's extend these one frame each and hold this keyframe, move it here, then this one here, and then remove the excessive part. And now let's see how this looks. It looks interesting. Let's reduce this keyframe to 1% and remove the excessive part of the video. So the video now looks like this. Amazing. To give this video a more dynamic effect, go to effects, then add vibration flash to the video. Now move the effect so the vibration and the flash is on our transition, something like this. Now the video looks more natural. Also, I'll remove this excessive part of the background video because we don't need it anymore. Press Q and now also reduce this vibration flash. Now if you see, the vibration is happening before our transition. Let's change that again and place it here so it happens when we need it. Now let's see the video. It looks something like this. To give the laser beam a more natural effect, I'm just gonna create a compound clip like this, then double click and I'll search for glow here. Then I'm gonna choose glow to reduce it, then go back to the original clip. Now our laser beam has a glow effect in it. So here's the effect. So that was it, guys. Later in the video, I just applied sound effects to the timeline and now our video looks something like this. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more creative videos like this. I'll see you again in the next one.